This app pays 200 US per 15 minutes to watch videos. This guys, this is free paper money that you can make by simply watching videos. So hi guys, this is boy Dennis here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, you like this video, and share also with your friend. In today's video, I'm going to show you an app that you can use to make money by just watching videos. This app is going to pay you $200 per every 15 minutes that you guys will spend there by just watching videos. There's a lot of things that you can do in this app, but mostly that we're going to focus is watching videos, and we get paid. So without wasting much time, let's get started. The site that we are going to use today is this one called iRazo. Please pay close attention because I'm going to explain everything that you need to know in order to start making money. If you don't pay attention, guys, I promise you, you're not going to make any money, because most of people try this and it never worked for them. But I assure you, this app works 100%. Just pay close attention. What you can do with this app, there's a lot of things to make money with the iRazo. You can do the following things, guys. The first thing that you can do also as well is to share the internet. You will be earning a point for every search you make on the iRazo. So, guys, as you can see, you can make a lot of money using this site if you pay close attention. Also, you can make money by completing surveys. You can earn points by completing surveys which are available on iRazo. Also, this app pays you play games. You can also earn points by playing games on iRazo website, on iRazo app as well. So also the other way that you can use also is by referring your friend. You refer your friend and you earn some point. I will show you the following part. You can earn money by just referring your friend, and you earn some point. And also you can redeem those points that you make. Once you redeem, you can get paid through PayPal, gift cards, and many more. But myself, I prefer getting paid using PayPal because this is the best thing, guys. And also, you can get paid by downloading apps. As you can see, there's a new apps and yeah, and I also allow you to earn points for each app you download. So without wasting much time, what you have to do, guys, here, first let's see how it works. Say any rewards at iRazo. It is a simple downloading app on your mobile device. Say our partner provides special offers that earn you iRazo point for trying out the latest and best app on your mobile device. This app pays you for doing what you love. Simply download and earn. Simple that. I hope you understand. You have an idea, guys. So what you have to do here, just click here where you say join. Once you click where you say join, put your email address, put your first name, put your last name, and put your password, and just click here where you say create an account. Once you've done that, it will simply take you straight away to this page here that is going to look like this. As you can see, this is a brand new account that I created. That will just show you on how the system works, guys. As you can see here, I have 0 points here because this is a demo account I didn't use yet. Just wanted to show you on how the system is work, guys. So what you have to do here, there's a lot of things, there's a lot of offers inside here. So yeah, actually I'm using a PC. What you have to do, just download using your mobile phone, and you're good to go. First of all, as you can see here, they say fun and surveys, great offers. You can take these 5 surveys and you earn points. This survey here, it pays 350 points. You can turn those points into money, don't worry. And also say win big. Try this offer. Also, there's watch movie, because this is something that we are interested on by watching videos. As you can see, this is the one that we fall. This one down here. So you just click here and start watching videos. As simple as that. I'm not gonna do that, but you can go and try on your own. And also how you can withdraw money using this site. You can use your PayPal account and the other gift cards that you enter. Myself, I use PayPal because that's what I love, guys, to do that. And what other things that I forgot? Let me check. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, that's the thing. That's how things work here, guys. There's nothing which is complicated. Everything is clear. Just go ahead, sign, go and sign up as I showed you there previous, guys. Start taking these surveys. As you can see, there's a lot of jobs that you can use. You can start making money using this website. Just go ahead, sign up here, and you can start making money as you say, get paid for completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, and which is the thing that we are focusing on in this video, and also search the web and more. There's a lot of things. Brand pays us for consumer input. So we recruit members like you when we do online activities that allows you get paid activities, including surveys, offers, videos, such games, and many, many more. Also, earn free points by entering promo codes, completing daily goals, and reading our emails. Simple as that, guys. I hope you guys understand everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll post this video. I hope you understand. If you have any question, please make sure you comment down below. I'll be able to answer all your questions, guys, that you'll be asking. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.